place is actually the National Botany Center, and it's located in Lalitpur, Godavari. So it's a quite, it's a natural place. As you can see now, there are a lot of it's so peaceful here. I can hear the birds and I can hear the slurping of the water. It's really, really nice. I've been doing the same. As you can see, my pants and my shoes are quite wet, and it means that I've been walking in these waters for quite a long time. It's been about 30 minutes since I reached, and I've been having a lot of fun. Now look, usually just walk on the rock, and then I take a look at the sea that is right before my eyes, and it's quite soothing. It's very peaceful here because I can hear the birds and I can hear the naturalness of this place. It's quite holy. It has its own tranquil, if you will. You just come back. And like I was saying, my life has been quite stressful. School then home, a lot of homework, and it's really gotten on my mind, and it's disconnected me from nature and all these beautiful things that I've been missing. Since I came here, it's only been 30 minutes, but it feels like my heart has found a new peace that will stay, and it will never leave my mind. And my life, it felt like it was just a small world. But then, now that I've seen these things, I've just realized that there is a lot more to see. Life is not just work, not just homework, not just school. It's nature. It's really awakened me, and I know that life is short, and there's not much time to do these things. Yeah. Do you know what I felt when I experienced the nature of this place? I felt a sense of healing. This outing has really changed me because just this one day that I've not been in my room, it's really changed me. And I really think we shouldn't just lock ourselves in our homes, wasting time on games and videos and such. But I think we should go out more often. Thank you.